tila ko the way money kapurung way blowing kata jui their expectation to get a waya ningo peke releasing way mabeja now new faces tie 2025 it was its own year but marane makata programming
Judy Tutual in my Malu Putami Bay TV, in my subscribing, in my food page subscribing. Please subscribe so you should not miss any of our content. I'm your host Emma, as always. Yatinium Tutual atike celeb madid in the city, as you see. Man, Mr. Anyadwe Yedmeka. Steve J. Omar, you're most welcome, bro.
for the training.
Itin and Monya Tutual.
Happy New Year, Nico.
Obeduka, by the way. Happy New Year.
Some long time. Happy New Year.
We don't keep border born a chua Nyadwe. Umereke kila Nyadwe in one hand ko.
Never
So Steve,
Yes.
pe mo chair mabo cause you angera rwata kiri always, but a lot of people get wine Steve Mono tikwene after releasing Anyadwe Steve Dolingo. Chilo kada?
Jalwe, the truth is, paling. But in fans, Paul Kare, give me a way going blowing, boom. Then they realize, oh, yeah, that war way mukene. But Paul Kare one what you're releasing way. Only that again, peg it out channels wa.
So
Peg it subscribes. So pegging ni that ball away until we push something so big, more beyond with a lot of power. Kage realizing, oh, yeah, that ball away mukene. But wait here.
so after you releasing a lot of people get post subscribing. A duration mo be Kenya dropping Anyadwe. Chigunga ni kara Steve Bennett ye.
Yes.
Jona mi yago gwa ko
No, gonna be a good team, man. Good chat, good subscribing, good following channels, by the way.
Exactly.
So
yeah.
that good bit updated. Yeah, because Backcraft when cock marom, can
Exactly,
be
yeah.
with different vibes,
different energies.
yeah, different inspiration. So my peer there and get updated. Yeah, they always have
So
something.
Steve, in any way challenges Mugumatika where Northern Uganda music is not growing, or it's just a mentality more just keep growing. You want shallow fans or Jomachwa way.
The problem is money. When you have money, you do anything. So China pay music is a business, so you must have money to invest.
To invest in your
So
music.
how will you promote? How will you like create awareness? China pay, because all these bloggers.
It's gonna be hard. Like.
Bloggers need facilitations. Job publishers, when they also need something.
Exactly, I agree with
so
you.
Labon China, things are down. So the biggest challenge in the industry is money.
So we should not blame anyone. You fail to stream